Are you looking for the best drone under $50? In this video we will look at some of the best drone under $50 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Q6 5G Wi-Fi 4K Drone. The Q6 5G Wi-Fi 4K drone seems like quite the technological marvel, doesn't it? With its 5G Wi-Fi capability, it promises high-speed connectivity for seamless communication and control. The inclusion of a 4K HD dual camera suggests top-notch video and image quality, allowing for stunning aerial shots and immersive FPV, first-person view, experiences. The 1080p folding quadcopter design adds a layer of portability, making it convenient to carry around. One notable feature is the impressive RC distance of 500 meters, offering an extensive range for exploration and aerial maneuvers. This not only enhances the drone's capabilities but also provides users with a broader scope for capturing breathtaking footage. It seems like the Q6 drone is not just a tech gadget, it's also a potential gift toy, making it an exciting present for drone enthusiasts or anyone intrigued by cutting-edge gadgets. Number 2. S91 4K Drone. The S91 4K drone seems like quite the powerhouse in the world of remote-controlled quadcopters. Its 4K capability promises stunning aerial footage, allowing you to capture moments in impressive detail. The inclusion of obstacle avoidance technology is a game-changer, ensuring a safer and more user-friendly flying experience. The dual camera setup adds versatility, opening up creative possibilities for both photography and FPV, first-person view, exploration. The mention of 5G Wi-Fi and long-range remote control suggests that this drone is designed for enthusiasts who want to push the boundaries of exploration. Whether you're into capturing breathtaking landscapes or navigating through challenging environments, the S91 appears to be up to the task. Number 3. RC Mini Drone. The RC Mini Drone is a compact and versatile remote-controlled aerial device designed for enthusiasts of all ages. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned drone pilot, this miniature helicopter or quadcopter offers a fun and engaging experience. Its miniaturized design makes it suitable for indoor and outdoor use, providing the perfect platform for learning and honing remote control flying skills. This RC aircraft is equipped with user-friendly controls, making it an excellent choice for beginners. The ease of operation ensures a smooth learning curve, allowing users to quickly grasp the basics of drone piloting. The mini drone is not only a source of entertainment but also a great educational tool, fostering an interest in technology and aviation from a young age. Number 4. E99 Pro RC Mini Drone. The E99 Pro RC Mini Drone is a compact and versatile aerial gadget designed for enthusiasts of all ages. Packed with features, it boasts a 4K dual camera system that elevates your aerial photography and FPV, first-person view, experience to new heights. Its foldable design adds a layer of convenience, making it easily portable for on-the-go adventures. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or a beginner, the E99 Pro offers an accessible and enjoyable flying experience. The incorporation of Wi-Fi FPV enhances real-time connectivity, allowing you to see and capture the world from a unique perspective. This drone isn't just a piece of technology, it's a gateway to creativity and exploration. Number 5. KY202 Sentinel Drone. The KY202 Sentinel drone is a sophisticated piece of technology designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Packed with features, this drone boasts a professional 4K HD camera, ensuring stunning aerial footage and high-quality images. The inclusion of gesture sensing adds a touch of futuristic control, allowing users to interact with the drone through simple gestures. Equipped with a 6-axis gyroscope, the KY202 Sentinel drone offers stable and precise flight control, making it suitable for capturing smooth and steady shots. Its Wi-Fi connectivity enhances the overall experience by enabling real-time transmission of video and images to a connected device,